You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name of Polish origin. Yes, this is a Polish given name. It's actually Polish for the name Peter or Peter. So how do you say it in Polish? The Polish pronunciation is Piotr. 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 Now in English, Piotr. Piotr. Or Polish pronunciation again. It also exists in Russian. It's a Slavic name, so both Polish and Russian pronunciation are as Piotr. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.